See the screen, the sooner you do those things as per usual, the faster we can get started. I'm super excited for you and for us, honestly, here today because we have done something revolutionary. But I don't want to spill all the beans just yet. You need to see it to believe it. Let me know in the chat box once again if you can hear me, if you can see the screen. This is actually live, so we're waiting for you to confirm so we can go ahead and get this party started. I see Gunther saying, Pops can hear you. Everything is okay. Sounds interesting, says Bryce. I love it. John, I guess he says can't hear or see you. Well, if you can see the screen, I think that's the most important thing. And then if you can hear my voice, that's great as well. We're going to go ahead and dive right in. John says, got it. I love it, John. Good to have you here. Katie, well, John, get used to it because we're here for about, I don't know, 45 to 50 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. But rest assured, you're going to get a ton of value out of this. We're going to show you not only an amazing AI that is quite frankly revolutionary, but we're also going to teach you things. I want to make sure you leave this webinar being a better entrepreneur, knowing how to monetize literally right after today. I'm talking 24 to 48 hours, how to really start not generating more traffic, but also more views and even getting paid to upload videos. So we're going to explain all of that, and I hope you're going to love this session. With that being said, let's not waste any time and dive right in. As you can see on the screen, brand new AI builds and monetizes wildly profitable YouTube channels from absolute scratch. So even if you don't have a YouTube channel right now, do not worry. You can create one today and apply this. You'll see the results with your very own eyes, and this will allow you to get instant views and subscribers. It's honestly remarkable what AI can do nowadays. By the way, welcome Douglas, Bryce, John, P.S. Santino, Katie, Steve, and all the other people that are joining in as we speak. Good to have you here. You're right on time. So it's no big secret that, as you should know by now, video is the highest consumed type of content right now. Literally, from all the types of content out there, text, blogs, images, carousels, you name it, video is the #1 top of the charts that is consumed worldwide right now. Everybody is 24/7 diving into their phone watching video. Now, what's interesting to know is that 82% of all internet traffic, literally all the traffic, if you have issues with generating traffic, this is what you need to understand. All the internet traffic comes from video. So if there's anything you need to double down on, if there's anything I recommend you to focus on, it is start uploading more videos. Now, I'd love for you to answer the following question, because yes, you can upload videos, but there are obviously a ton of different platforms where you can do this. Well, you tell me, where do you think, or which platform do you think generates the most and fastest video views? That's quite an interesting one. I don't think a lot of people go into the data to figure this out. Is it one, Instagram videos or YouTube videos? Is it TikTok videos? Is it Facebook videos? Which one do you think generates the most traffic? So let's see if we got some smart entrepreneurs here. I see Bryce, YouTube. Katie says YouTube. Douglas says YouTube. Wendy says YouTube. Gunther says YouTube. Donald says YouTube. Everybody says YouTube. I love it. I love it. It is indeed YouTube. And here's the thing. Most people aren't even aware of what I'm about to show you next. YouTube has 90 billion daily views just on the short videos alone. Not even the longer videos, the shorts alone have 90 billion daily views. You can see right here, YouTube has the most real watchers due to its overall massive user base, with YouTube Shorts receiving over 90 billion daily views as of 2025, compared, because a lot of people always talk about Instagram and how Instagram is important, and sure, Instagram is great, but compared to Instagram, Instagram only has 2 billion. 2 versus 90. You decide where the most traffic is. Now, with that being said, what if I told you that because of the latest advances in AI technology, what you'll see here today as well, people are now exploiting YouTube in a way never was possible before. People are actually making a full-time income by posting and ranking videos using AI. It is absolutely remarkable how powerful AI is nowadays. And on top of that, YouTube is actively, you can check this out on their support page, encouraging people to leverage AI, right? Because it will allow you to get so much more out of YouTube, to enjoy it more, but also get the traffic you want, the views you want, and also provide the users what they want to see. Now, if you had AI get thousands of people to consume your content every hour, do you see yourself owning a profitable, faceless YouTube channel? Let me know in the chat box. If you can get AI to produce the exact video SEO as well as the video itself to make sure people see it over and over again every single hour of the day, can you imagine yourself owning a profitable faceless channel? And if you can do that, you came to the right place. Hence, I asked this question. If you can't imagine that, then I want to make sure you spend your time in the wisest way possible. Then you might want to leave from this point on, because this is exactly what we're going to show you how to do. I see hell yes, says Gunther. Ann says yes. Greg says sounds great. Donald says yes. Douglas says yes. I love it. So the people that take action today, you will see guaranteed. I'm not talking maybe or hopefully it will work for some of you. No, every single one of you that takes action today, we've tested this. You'll see the case studies in a moment. You'll see guaranteed views flowing in from YouTube, even if you are a beginner with the AI channel maker. And this will allow you to grow your channel at an incredibly fast pace. So if you grab this today, you will own a unique solution that generates high retention YouTube videos, auto ranks them to the #1 spot on YouTube, as well as works even if you're a complete beginner, even if you've never had a YouTube account before. It generates attention to your videos from day one, and then it requires 0 tech skills. And if you're wondering how on earth is this possible, that's all that we're going to show here on this very special day. Now, after this special live training, you'll be a money-making expert getting paid daily from YouTube. And the best part about all of this, or what I believe is the best part, you are the judge of that, is you don't need any video marketing experience. You don't need to show your price. I mean, if you want to, fine, but if you don't want to, you can use the AI to create really good videos that people will watch. And then on top of that, you don't need any editing skills. But the videos are editable, right? If you want to add things in, move things out, or switch things up, you actually can, but you don't need any editing skills because the AI will do it for you. So long story short, what you're going to see here today is not just a lot of info. We're going to actually make it practical and focus on transformation, changing the way you use YouTube, changing the way you make YouTube work for you if you ever tried it before. So that's just kind of the intro, so you know what we're going to talk about, so you know you're in the right place. If you like what you've heard so far, comment yes if you're going to stay until the end to see how this works. And for those of you that actually take the effort to comment yes, we appreciate the people showing up live and that you're here and that you're actually engaging. We're going to make sure you're going to get a hell of an attendance bonus that is only for the people that stay until the end, but also obviously comment yes and are active during the entire session. So let me know. I see Bryce saying this is exactly why I'm here. I love it. Steve, yes. Carl says yes. Caitlin says yes. Or Kathleen, Del, Gary, Will, Gunther, Mileage, and I love it. All of you here. Perfect. So with that being said, I hope you're okay with the pace. I'm trying to skip all the fluff. If I'm going too fast, let me know. But other than that, I'm here on behalf of the man, the myth, the legend, the genius, quite frankly, that made it all possible, Dr. Mead. And we can't forget with that, obviously, engineer Atul Parikh. These are actual doctors and engineering. I mean, do you know how much time it costs to study just those things? Now, they have taken all their knowledge and skill set and discipline to the business side of things, and they've been able to create remarkable things for people and actually get them amazing results. So let's get into the 3 secrets that I'll be sharing with you here. I see Del says, yeah, please skip the fluff. Exactly. No, everything I'm going to share with you is practical and real information that is going to be useful for you, hopefully. So here are the 3 things we're going to cover. Number 1 is the win-win-win model, right? Because a lot of people know you can get paid from YouTube, but a lot of people don't know how that works and why you get paid. So I'm actually going to explain that briefly, so that once you have the tool and once we're going to show the tool, in this training as well, you'll actually understand why it will make you money. I think that's good to know. If you see money coming in, you understand why that is. Then after that, I'm going to show you different monetization strategies with the tool. So I hope you appreciate that as well. And then last but not least, instant daily views. For those of you that just want to make this work for you right now, right this second, right after the webinar, you'll have a unique opportunity only on this webinar to claim exclusive access in a way nobody else can outside of this webinar. So these are the three things we're going to dive into. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Because if you had access to what we have for you today, YouTube will pay you to upload videos, right? You can see right here, hey, we just got monetized on YouTube. You can see Anik using AI. I got 10. I don't know. Do some of you know Anik? Some of you might know him. He's a pretty well-known person in the industry. If not, that's fine. But you can see here, I'm using AI to get 10.6 million free views because of AI. Without AI, trust me, it wouldn't be that easy. And you can have YouTube pay you because of their partner program. I'm going to show you how to leverage that. Now, why is YouTube doing this? This is something a lot of people don't know. And if you know, awesome. And if you don't, pay very close attention. It's called the win-win-win model. And there are three parties involved. One is the platform, which is YouTube, right? It's a social media platform. The next one is the brand advertisers, people that run ads. And the last one is us, the content creators, the publishers. So we all work together here, where the brand advertisers that run ads, they pay social media, they pay YouTube and saying, hey, I want you to show my ads. Those are the annoying ads you see in between the videos you want to watch. Now we generate views for YouTube because of our videos. And then because we generate views, they'll give a few of those views back to the brand advertiser saying, all right, we have someone creating videos. Here are the views they're generating. We'll show your ads in between their videos. And then in return, we get paid from the money that they paid YouTube. We get our fair share. And then our connection here is they just keep placing automated advertisements in between our videos, and we create more videos. And everybody wins. Everybody's happy. Let me know if this makes sense. Right? Some of you might already know this long time ago, which is awesome. I hope I was able to explain this in the fastest way possible. This is how people get paid on YouTube, in case you didn't know. And this is how channels like, you might know this one right here, Cocomelon, right? It's a very basic channel. The animations on it aren't even that spectacular. Anyone can create these visuals nowadays with a really proper AI. Yet they're doing 320 million just by uploading little cartoony videos. Right? They publish it, let the algorithm place it in front of the right people. They'll let the AI figure out who's the target audience, and they get paid by YouTube. And that's exactly what we're going to show you how to do. You first need to obviously understand the business model a bit. So let's do the math. For example, let's say you post 5 videos per day, and that's 150 videos per month, right? 5 times 30 days. Now that's 300 videos over 2 months. You have 300 videos on your YouTube channel. That is a lot. Now, even if each video only gets 100 views, which they won't, they'll do a lot better, but I'm talking worst case scenario here. That's 30,000 accumulated views. You can make money on YouTube so fast that a lot of people, it goes over their head. We live in the greatest time right now. You don't know how long this will last. But you can effortlessly make money online with YouTube. As a matter of fact, kids are doing it. I'm talking 14, 15, 16-year-olds. Just upload entertaining or educational videos, but the algorithm makes sure it gets in front of the right person, and they get paid by YouTube for generating views. And here's the truth. YouTube, as you know, has billions of views daily. It's a matter of fact, interesting fun fact, it is the world's second most visited website right behind Google, and over 1 billion hours of content is watched every single day. So with the evolution of AI, you can create the most mesmerizing videos in the click of a button. We're going to show you how to do that in a moment, because AI video consumption right now is skyrocketing when it comes to YouTube. Right? In any niche, people are just hooked on it. Everybody's on their phone watching it 24/7 in the subway, outside, when they're waiting on the doctor's appointment. They're on their phone scrolling, and you get the view counts. But this is where it gets interesting. The problem is cutting through the noise and making YouTube recommend your videos to the tons of people daily. I mean, let me know if you've ever tried, or maybe you already have a YouTube channel. You tried uploading videos before, but it's not taking off. Let me know if that's a situation you're in, or it's the roadblock you're facing or thinking you will face, and maybe you haven't started because of that at all. Because this is what's holding a lot of people back, and it's a fair objection, right? There's tons of videos on YouTube already. Now, before AI, to rank a video, it requires serious skill. I'm not going to read all these, but to name just a few, you need to know the exact titles to use. It's proper SEO. You need the descriptions, the tags. You need to optimize the ranked video keywords, the file links as well. There's a lot of things you need to do to get or make sure the algorithm favors your video and pushes it to as many people as possible. And you sometimes even need to do these in a very certain order. So that's when it hit me. That's when it hit us. And Dr. Mead, most definitely, because we noticed that even with the latest AI releases on the market, to create a video, just to create an AI video, you need a script writing AI, you need a voiceover AI, you need an image generative AI, you need a video generative AI. I'm talking a really well put together video, not a quick prompt with a quick little output, but a really good video. It requires a ton of different subscriptions to create good AI videos. And the worst of all of these, whether it's Midjourney or anything in between, they couldn't care less about ranking. None of them help you not only create, but also rank the video. You can have a great video, fine, but you need people to watch it. So that's why we got together here today, and here's what we did. Does anyone know who this is? Does anyone know who this is? Because this will allow you to understand the tool you're about to see and why it works so well. I see a couple of yeses, I see a couple of no's. If you don't know, that's fine, that's fine. But let's see, I see, there you go, Katie knows, Adolfo. Yeah, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, a famous YouTuber. Yes, it is indeed the one and only Mr. Beast. Now, why does that matter? What does Mr. Beast have to do with all of this? Well, Mr. Beast alone, on his own, mind you, has 2 billion monthly views on just one of his channels. Just fathom that, reaching 2 billion people with your channel. That is insane. You can launch anything, reach anyone. Heck, let alone get paid a ton by YouTube for all the advertisements that play during your video. He clearly knows what he's doing, and he's doing something right. Because he hasn't done it once, he has opened multiple channels, and all of them are skyrocketing through the roof. So here's what we've done. We've trained a state-of-the-art AI model on the most profitable and highest ranked channels, like the one of Mr. Beast, but many more. Why are their videos so well? What makes them different from all the others? Why do they get views and others don't? Even though it might be the exact same video or the exact same type of content, what's different? Is it the description? Is it the title? Is it the structure? Why does YouTube show one video more to a person than another? We relentlessly put the AI through countless and countless channels, specifically the top channels by revenue. Which channels make the most money, and why do they make money? Why are their videos better than others? How are their videos put together? How do they hook people and keep them entertained from start to finish? How do they set up their SEO and description and meta titles to make sure their video gets the highest search volume? We've trained a state-of-the-art AI relentlessly on all of this data. This is a lot of work, mind you. It requires a lot of work, and AI can be stubborn sometimes, so you need to keep adjusting it, keep feeding it. We got it to the point it can rapidly create any video and take it to the first page of YouTube to get views. So let me ask you a question. What if we equipped you with your very own personal YouTube AI that makes sure your video gets leads, with buyers intent, views 24/7. Do you see yourself owning a faceless YouTube channel that knows how to get views daily? Now that you understand the thought process behind it, now that you understand how it works, because I feel a lot of people show great tools, but they don't explain what is it trained on? Why does it work so well? How do you make money with it? We want to make sure all of that is very clear, because those of you that see and understand it now, we're going to show you the tool right here, right now. So let me know in the chat box. Awesome. I see lots of yeses coming in. SEO followers, yes sir, yes sir. Game changer. I love it. So pay very close attention, because that's exactly what we're going to show you. Tube Engine AI is the accumulation of everything I've just explained in as short as time frame as possible. From the point to analyzing the best performing YouTube channels, Mr. Beast doing 2 billion views a month, to the most top revenue generating channels in 2024 and currently 2025. All that data is siphoned into what we now call Tube Engine AI. It will get you thousands of views, leads in record time, knowing exactly what video to create, but also how to rank it in any niche, any industry, because it can pull real-time data from videos that are currently performing and have performed already. So if you want to see this firsthand, if you want an inside look, comment "I want this." And those of you that comment "I want this," we're going to go ahead and show you the demo, and then you can see it from the inside out. A powerhouse of a tool. There's nothing like this out there. I've seen a lot of creation tools, and yeah, they create a video here and there, but can it get you a profitable faceless channel in record time? That's what Tube Engine AI is focused on. There's no other AI tool trained with this much data focused on profitable faceless channels. Let me know in the chat box if you want to see it. Comment "I want this." And without further ado, let's go ahead. I love it. I see "I want this." Donald, Gary, Douglas, Katie, Greg, Kurt, and Caitlin, Bryce, Adeniran, Milic, Gunther, Eddie, Steve. Awesome. Without further ado, let's go ahead and have an inside look. Do me a favor. The moment you see the demo, just drop in the chat box real quick that it's playing for you, that you can see, that you can hear it, so we know it is all well on the audio and tech side of things.
Hey there. Welcome to this quick demo of Tube Engine AI, the world's first AI-powered video creation and automation suite that helps you build, manage, and grow your YouTube channels 100% hands-free. Let me give you a complete walkthrough so you can see how simple, powerful, and exciting this platform really is. Dashboard overview. Right after logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is basically your command center. Here you can get a complete overview of everything that's happening inside your account, from how many avatars you've created, how many videos you've made, and how many videos you've already posted on YouTube. You'll also see your recently created videos and quick links to jump directly into any workflow, whether it's creating a new video, editing one, or managing your YouTube automations. On the top left, there's a section called Workspace. This is super helpful because you can create multiple workspaces for yourself, your clients, or team members. Each workspace works independently, so you can manage different projects or even run your own agency from one single dashboard. All right, let's get started with the most exciting part, creating videos with Tube Engine AI. 3 powerful video creation modes. Inside Tube Engine AI, you have 3 different ways to create videos. First, avatar videos. Second, AI script to video. And third, videos from templates. We'll go step by step through each of these. First, avatar videos. Click on the Avatar Video tab, and this is where the fun begins. First, you choose an avatar face. You can either upload your own photo or select from 2,000 plus done-for-you avatars available inside the system. Now, before you finalize, you can even choose the avatar style. Whether you want your avatar to remain steady or fully moving with body gestures, expressions, and reactions for a more interactive feel. Let's go with the moving avatar for now, because it adds more life to your video. Next, you'll give your avatar a name and enter your video script. You can either write your own script or simply type your topic idea. And hit the magic wand button. Tube Engine AI will automatically generate an optimized, YouTube-friendly script that's conversational. keyword rich, and ready to go. Once the script is ready, choose your voice. You can pick from 1,500 plus human-like AI voices in multiple languages and accents, or clone your own voice using a short sample to make the video feel more authentic and personalized. Hit generate, and Tube Engine AI will do its magic, syncing voice, lips, and expressions perfectly. You'll literally watch your static photo come alive and talk naturally like a real human. Let's preview a few of the amazing avatar videos we have already created. All of this without ever touching a camera or microphone.
Are you ready to make sunny Miami your new home? Picture yourself lounging on the beautiful beaches, enjoying vibrant nightlife.
Struggled to find the perfect gift that truly expresses love?
Valued customer. Hello, I am Grace, the founder of the Sparkling Clean Home Services Center.
Anyone for video ads? I've been there too. Gamers, looking for a reliable charger for your Nintendo console? For ordinary when you can gift eternal beauty.
Second AI script to video creation. Let's jump to the second option, AI script to video. Click Create New Video and give your project a name. This opens the AI video editor. This editor is clean, powerful, and extremely easy to use. Here you can add background music, overlay text and graphics, insert B-roll or stock footage, add emojis, shapes, icons, transitions, include your avatar in any scene, and even personalize your branding with logos or watermark. Want to create short-form videos or YouTube shorts? No problem. Just choose Portrait Mode, and Tube Engine AI will automatically optimize the layout for mobile viewers. Once you're happy with your edits, click Render, and within a few minutes your video is fully processed and ready to go live. Let's check out some beautiful videos created using this editor. Each one polished, high quality, and 100% AI generated.
Welcome to a world where luxury meets nature's beauty.
Mornings felt dull without a special touch to our coffee routine. Then, I discovered the Kiss Cat Coffee Couple mug set online. City, living at its best, with this conveniently located small apartment in the heart of the bustling downtown area.
Will we stay the same? Do you know what
Welcome to a new way of thinking. Let's explore what's possible. It starts with a fresh perspective and a spark of curiosity. Great things begin with a single step and a bold vision.
Third, done-for-you templates. Next, let's move to the DFY templates. Tube Engine AI gives you access to 100+ pre-designed templates across top niches, like fitness, finance, motivation, travel, health, beauty, tech, and more. You can customize them easily. Just replace the text, update visuals, maybe change the avatar, and you're good to go. These templates are especially perfect for beginners or marketers who want to start creating viral YouTube shorts and videos instantly without worrying about content creation or design. Video controls and management. Once your videos are created, you can manage them easily from your video library. Here you can watch the video, re-edit anytime, download it, delete it, or even mark as favorite for quick access later. But here comes the game-changing feature. You can also directly post your video to YouTube right from inside Tube Engine AI. YouTube posting and optimization, let's walk through this step. First, fill in your title, description, and tags. Now, if you're not sure what to write, don't worry. Just type a rough idea or topic and hit the magic wand button. Tube Engine AI instantly generates SEO-optimized, trending titles and descriptions that help your video rank higher and attract more clicks. Next, it's time for the thumbnail, the most important part of YouTube success. You can either upload your own thumbnail or use the built-in AI thumbnail generator. Simply describe what you want, and Tube Engine AI creates a stunning, clickable thumbnail in seconds. Once done, you can choose publish instantly or schedule visibility, or schedule the video for a specific date and time. Select your video visibility, public, private, or unlisted. Choose the right category, allow embedding if needed, and then hit save and next. You'll get a quick summary page, just to review all details before publishing. Once everything looks good, tick the confirmation box and click publish. And boom, your video is now live on YouTube, fully automated, without ever logging into your YouTube account manually.
everyone. Today, I'm sharing something truly special. The luxury jewelries. Jewelry isn't just an accessory. It's a reflection of who you are.
Analytics, uploads, and YouTube agent. Now let's go deeper. Inside the YouTube Publisher and Analytics section, you get a full overview of your channel performance. Here you can track every video, its status, total views, likes, comments, and engagement rate. You can even upload your own existing videos from your system to manage them all from one place. Simply click Upload New Video, choose from your device, and it's added to your TubeEngine library instantly. Next, we have the Automation tab, where you can set up detailed auto reply and commenting rules. Just select your video, add trigger keywords like price, buy, link, or info, and set what you want the AI to respond with. For example, and someone comments, "What's the price?" TubeEngine AI will automatically reply, "Hey, thanks for asking." You can explore our full luxury jewelry collection here, your link. You can add as many rules as you want, and it works flawlessly across all your videos. Below that, you have auto comment setup. This feature lets you send greeting messages automatically to everyone who comments, keeping your engagement alive and your brand voice consistent. Live YouTube action plus auto reply and auto comment. Now here's something you'll absolutely love. After posting, you can actually see the video appear live on your YouTube channel. Let's switch over. Here's the video we just uploaded, live and visible to everyone. Within seconds, viewers start commenting, liking, and engaging. Now watch closely. As soon as a new comment appears, TubeEngine AI instantly replies back, automatically. Let's say a user comments, "This is awesome. How can I get this plan?" TubeEngine AI detects the keyword plan and instantly responds with a personalized reply. Something like, "Thanks for watching. You can check out all details here, your link." It feels like a real human is replying instantly, but it's your AI assistant doing it 24/7. You can also set up auto comments to greet every new viewer who comments, maybe with a warm thank you message, your business offer, or a link to your next video. Imagine your YouTube channel running day and night, replying, engaging, and converting your audience, all automatically. That's the true power of TubeEngine AI automation. YouTube Agent and R&D tools. Next, the YouTube Agent section is where all your research magic happens. Here you can find trending keywords, generate long-form video descriptions, analyze what's working on YouTube right now, and get ready to use AI prompts for your content creation. Basically, this is your built-in YouTube growth lab, helping you research, plan, and dominate your niche effortlessly. Lastly, you've got full control under the agency menu, where you can manage your clients, team, white label, and more. You'll also find settings option. Here you can manage workspace, subscription details, integrations, tutorials, bonuses, and one-click customer support. Everything you need to grow and manage your YouTube automation business easily. So there you have it. From creating realistic avatar video, to generating AI scripts and professional edits, to posting directly on YouTube, to managing your comments, engagement, and automation, TubeEngine AI truly does it all. This isn't just another video tool. It's your complete YouTube business automation suite. Create, post, engage, grow, all powered by AI. So go ahead, step into the future of YouTube marketing and let TubeEngine AI build, run, and grow your video empire on autopilot. See you inside, where innovation meets automation.
Wow, 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 wow. Let me know if you absolutely loved what you just saw. I can't wait to see your feedback. I know for a fact everybody that takes action on this will see a wildly profitable faceless YouTube channel, as we've been able to do for so many people already. Just during the beta testing alone, views are skyrocketing. Channels that never existed before, with just one video on them, getting more views than people have tried all this time with different tools. So I hope you see how powerful this is, but I'll let you decide. Let me know in the chat box if you absolutely love what you just saw. In all seriousness, once again, it's not as much about just the tool, but the amount of data it has on making sure your video ranks, on making sure your thumbnail gets clicked, on making sure people watch it through. is remarkable. Now, I don't know how smooth you're able to see it because you're watching it a video through a screen from a screen, if you get what I mean. So there's two screens in between the video you're seeing. But when you're logged in and you see how smooth it is and how well the videos are put together, I mean, even the demo itself, in case you didn't notice, is created with AI. And I believe you were able to follow the demo properly, to hear and understand it properly, all the visuals, the voice. That is the beauty of what you're about to get your hands on. And as you heard in the demo right there, you can literally turn it on and have it create and publish on autopilot without you even having to be there or log into YouTube in the first place. And this is something a lot of people are not catching up on with AI. They're using AI or ChatGPT, to generate some images, to use some copywriting, write some emails. But AI and YouTube ranking, if you put those hand in hand, you're tapping into a niche that is right now so wide open. It is absolutely insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the chat box. Let me know who here absolutely loved what they just saw. And if it wasn't clear before, I hope it's clear now. Tube Engine AI is designed to take you from a beginning hand to having a profitable YouTube channel up and running, or even multiple, with proper videos, ranking videos, SEO driven videos based on top creators and top channels. And there's no other AI out there. So let me know in the chat box if you love this. I'm gonna go ahead. I see Caitlin loved it. Loved it, says Wendy. I wanted. Bryce says I can completely start a new business with this. Yes, as a matter of fact, that's actually what we're going to get into right now. I'll talk more about it in a second. I see Ediniran says I want this. Frames, crazy, awesome. Bryce says amazing, phenomenal, unbelievable. Great way how you explained the system. Appreciate all of you. Absolutely blown away. You guys are amazing. And again, that was AI. That wasn't even me explaining it. That was AI. So you were living proof of how well the AI could create a demo video for you, explaining everything from top to bottom. So I think the only question I have to ask is, do you see yourself,
Tube Engine AI
just stop here. Do you see yourself getting tons of buyers, tons of views, if we gave you the most powerful auto ranking AI? Now, this came out of a need from ourselves because we noticed there is nothing like it out there. The other AI tools, they create you the video. Awesome. And you most likely have to attach a lot of different AIs together to get a really well put together video. You need to get the voice from 11 Labs, and then this from that, the images from Midjourney. But how about the views? How about the ranking? That's where we trained this. To an extent, nobody can compete. So I'm super proud of it. And I know for a fact, anyone that is smart enough to understand and see this, or at least gives it a go, because you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can literally try a channel for 30 days, see how well you like it, how much results it gets you, and then decide if you want to keep it. I know anyone that makes that decision is going to rock it on YouTube starting today. So that is the win-win-win model, the first one right here. And now, if you'd like me to, let me know in the chat box if you do. I'd love to explain more about how do you make money with this, right? Because I feel there are lots of great tools out there, but nobody really sits down and explains, all right, here's click by click how it's going to make you money. Because there's a lot of money made on YouTube in different ways. So I'd love to share 3 different ways how you will guaranteed, not maybe, not perhaps, but guaranteed earn using Tube Engine AI. Awesome. I see answers exactly. The thing is the money. There we go. So I see lots of yeses coming in. You guys are amazing. Let's go ahead and show you how this will make you profitable. So AI will make you a profitable YouTube channel, right? That is without a doubt. That's not even a question. When you use Tube Engine AI, it is hardwired. It cannot do anything else. Its sole purpose is, I need to create this person a profitable YouTube channel. And that's exactly what's going to do. It's going to create the videos for you. It's going to rank the videos for you. Its sole purpose in life is to give you a successful YouTube channel based on real factual data on what makes a YouTube channel successful. But there are actually 3 ways to generate video income, even if you're a complete beginner. I'm going to break them down all three. The first one is you get paid for products and services. If you sell, let me know in the chat box if you do, since we're live. If you maybe right now sell affiliate offers, or maybe you have your own marketing services that you can provide. Maybe you're a realtor, right? No matter what type of service, whether it's an online, a product, or maybe coaching, you can sell those through YouTube as well. And the framework is really simple. You create high quality video content with Tube Engine AI. You let Tube Engine AI rank it for you for the right demographic, right? The people that would be most interested in buying that particular product or service. And then you send viewers to an offer, right? So that is the first one right here. The second way is you don't have to sell anything. You get paid by social media for the views. So it's the same steps, but in this case, you will get paid for uploading videos. Basically, what I've explained at the start, you upload videos and the YouTube channel will accumulate views, and because of that, YouTube is going to pay you, because within your videos people are going to run ads and you get paid for all the ad content that gets played in between your videos. So you literally get paid just for uploading videos. And the last one is getting paid for service delivery, because believe it or not, you can use Tube Engine AI for yourself, but there are lots of people that are struggling on YouTube or love to start on YouTube, have no idea how, or just don't know how to make it work. And they're trying as we speak, whether it's coaches, other affiliates, other agencies, bloggers, or small businesses, you name it. And they could benefit from this as well. And we have a script for this. I split this many scripts for those of you that know me. And I've tweaked this one so many times, tested it, sent it, look at the reply rate, went back to the bat cave again, tweaked them, send them to another 1,000 people to see what it looks like. And this template works like a charm. Literally 9 out of 10 times you'll get a reply. Heck, I'm even willing to say 10 out of 10 times you will get a reply of a person who wants you or wants to pay you to rank their YouTube videos and help them with their YouTube channel. Here's what the template looks like. I'm going to briefly go through it, but you'll get more of this on the inside. It's just, hey, business name or channel creator, whoever the person is that you're sending this message to. I was looking for this particular business or this particular type of content, and I found your business or your videos on the 6th page or the 7th page or the 8th page of YouTube, somewhere all the way in the back with very low engagement. Now, since I happen to specialize on YouTube ranking, I'd love to know if you want me to fix that for you. Well, nobody's going to say no to that, right? If you're uploading on YouTube and you know your videos are all the way in the back and nobody's seeing them, you tell them, hey, I'd love to help you get them more seen. People are already interested from that point on. Then we sweeten it even more by kind of pressing the sore thumb, saying, hey, well, your competitor, and we find a different video that's higher ranked, say, is getting double the views, double the leads, and I'm pretty sure you guys actually are way better than them, right? So you're really making it more conversational, and they'll agree with this, right? A lot of people know we're so much better than the competition, but if only people knew we existed. That's kind of the angle you're hitting there. And then we just say, hey, feel free to contact me. This message will get you replies by the boatloads. The #1 reply you'll get is, how does it work and how much do you charge? That's all they want to know. Sounds great. How does it work and how much do you charge? And from that point, it's just making a good deal. That's all you have to do at that point. So you can use it to sell your own products and services. You can upload videos and get paid by YouTube, or you can provide it as a service. Let me know if those make sense. Can you see how there are multiple easy ways to make money now that you can rank for traffic on demand using an AI that is specifically trained to do just that? And again, it's remarkable the day and age we live in, 2025, where AI is smarter and faster than ever. And people are coming up with new intelligent ways to use AI. Yet YouTube is so untapped when it comes to the AI field. Let me know in the chat box if you can see how these are different ways that allows you to quickly monetize. Heck, if you only just upload videos, you do nothing else. From this point to the end of the year, all you do is just upload videos using Tube Engine AI, which does all the work for you. I can guarantee you'll get more views and make more money than you will have all year. And I'm not just saying that. Don't forget, 82% of traffic statistics come from video views. The #1 video platform, besides all these social media, everybody talks about Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. The #1, the big daddy, you might say, is still YouTube. Once you tap into that power, the world is your oyster. So I really wanted to address that, how you can actually start seeing a real income within the next 72 hours. There's so many people on YouTube that don't know what they're doing wrong, but they don't have an AI that is trained on creating winning videos that actually rank properly with proven SEO models. So you can provide it as a service. You can also just upload videos and get monetized insanely fast. And he got 10.6 million views. It can go really fast. Everybody's on their phone watching videos globally. We're with over 8 billion people. 90 billion is spent on YouTube daily. Literally don't miss out on your fair share of the pie. So that takes us to secret number 3, instant daily views. I think all that remains is who here loved what they just saw, understands it, because that's the most important thing, right? You need a level of understanding, and I believe all of you do. Who wants to know everything you're getting today as part of a webinar special deal? A special deal we've only put together for the people here live. You'll soon see why and how that is and what makes it so special. But obviously, we only want to share this with the people that actually want this, the people that understand this, the people that recognize the potential, because those are the people we want to make sure they are our ambassadors. Your case studies, your success stories will take Tube Engine AI to a whole new level, because we're here to actually impact the YouTube industry with AI. And it starts with you. It starts with your biggest results that you'll be getting from Tube Engine AI. So let me know in the chat box if that's you. And if that's you, I'm going to show you everything you are getting. And for what it's worth, I'll say it again, just try it out for 30 days. You have a money back guarantee. Just try it. You'll get nothing to lose from just trying it. And if just one video hits and blows up, you're set. But I know for a fact multiple videos will do extremely well for you. Your channel will be flourishing and getting recommended on the homepage, on the sidebar, because that's the sole purpose of the AI. That's its heart, its brain. So let's go ahead and show you everything you're going to get here today. I see lots of people saying yeses, so let's dive right in. So let me actually put this on the screen here. This is only for the people that are here live, a special page we created for you. Nobody else will be able to access what I'm going to show you here, because the people that show up live take the extra mile, and we're going to make sure you're going to get an absolute, I don't want to spill too many beans yet, first of all, discount. That's always nice, an amazing discount, but also amazing bonuses because you're here live. So this is the world's first AI system that builds and manages and monetizes YouTube channels completely hands-free. As you can see, if the auto poster, the auto reply, the auto commenter, the auto scheduler, auto ranker, which is obviously one of the most powerful and important things, making sure your videos get ranked. You have the AI video maker, the script generator, the voice cloner, talking avatars, viral shorts creator. You got everything you need. Nothing is missing. And that's why I know for a fact anyone that grabs this, you're making probably one of the best decisions to close out the year. So here's what's included. I'm going to break it all down. You have all the power-packed features, right? One dashboard with complete YouTube control. I mean, this looks so good. It's so good quality. Faceless video creator, just choose who you want. They're extremely human. Great scripts and the ID generator. You'll never run out of content. You have the auto commenter. This is really powerful. It literally comments on your videos and replies to comments automatically. It sells your products for you in the comment section automatically. It notices, hey, somebody's inquiring information. Somebody wants to know more about the product, more about the link. It will go in because a hot buyer, right? You can't, if you reply hours later, days later, that can kill the deal. So the auto commenter and auto reply immediately comes in, takes care of that. That on its own is so powerful. Now, Voice Magic, over 1,500 plus premium voices, or you can clone your own photo to avatar. So if you have a photo of a client or yourself or someone else, and you want to use that as an avatar, you can as well. You have the auto poster and scheduler 24/7. Your YouTube channel is going to grow whether you like it or not. And you don't even have to be there. You have the AI video optimizer that optimizes all the titles. And this is really important, right? This is what makes it work so well. That people not only have a great video, but they actually find it. It actually shows up. Now you can go global because people all around the world watch video. On top of that, you have the built-in video editor, which is another thing. A lot of these other AI video tools, they a lot of times don't let you edit the video. It creates the video for you, and that's it. From that point, you go and figure it out if you like it or not. This gives you all flexibility that in case you do want to edit things, tweak things, or do anything, you can. You don't have to, but you can. And that makes this so powerful. Now, you have the ID Finder to uncover viral topics, and this always is up to date on what works on YouTube right now. So you can ride the trends and focus on what actually works based on real statistical data, because the numbers don't lie. If the SEO booster to find winning titles and tags instantly, custom backgrounds make every video stand out, as well as the AI channel maker, create perfect names and brand bios because your channel as a whole needs to be branded as well. It leaves no stone unturned. Interactive videos with buttons, emojis, everything you need to stand out even more. The thumbnail creator, this makes it click worthy, right? Because I'd say 80% of your video getting views is a lot of times from the thumbnail alone. If they say, oh, this looks interesting, just visually before they even read the title, just the thumbnail. Now you tell me, maybe you've done that many times on YouTube as well, where you just see a thumbnail that's so enticing, you click on it to see, all right, what's going on here. So it's really important you have a proper AI thumbnail creator, again, trained on what works in specific niches. So it's niche trained, not a one size fits all. YouTube Analytics Hub, so you can see all your data, multi-workspace system if you're working across different channels or with clients. And we have 100 plus ready video templates that instantly boost your creation. Whether you want to go into the motivational needs, make money online business, health, wealth, fitness, relationships, whatever type of niche you're in, we already have the templates for it that are battle tested. Now you can access it from the cloud, nothing to download, so your computer stays light, and you have a commercial license to sell your videos and services unlimitedly. Let me know in the chat box if you absolutely love everything you're getting so far. And if you do, you'd be happy to know that if you get it on the webinar, which is right here, right now, you will get the unlimited version. Now, let me tell you why we're only doing this on the webinar. Believe it or not, doing this has a huge hosting and API bill on our end. You're creating stuff. I mean, go to any other AI creation. It will charge you for every little thing you do. Oh, you want to create more videos? Top up your credits. Or you want to use it every month? Pay monthly. And it's because they have a lot of fees on their end. They have to pay for generative AI tokens, for the API. That's how the business runs. They have costs, so they need to charge based on those costs every month. And we have the same thing. We're forced to charge monthly. It's not something we like to do, but we're forced to, or else it wouldn't be sustainable. However, the people that grab it on the webinar, you'll be able to 10x your traffic and profit because you'll get unlimited access, meaning you can create unlimited channels, unlimited videos, unlimited avatars, unlimited everything, and you won't have to pay monthly. Let me know who absolutely loves that already. That is out of this world. There's no AI tool of this extent with this much value that allows you to use it unlimitedly without topping up credits of some sort. Now, again, we only do it for the people that grab this on the webinar. It's a you snooze, you lose type of deal. If you get this after, later, you might miss out on the opportunity to get this without any additional cost or investment, I should say. Now, here's what's included. You have unlimited AI short videos, unlimited AI videos, unlimited YouTube photo avatars, unlimited video avatars, unlimited premium voices and voice cloning, unlimited interactive video elements, auto ranking unlimitedly, unlimited workspaces. You can copy or move videos between workspaces. So this is a new feature that you'll get. You also have unlimited auto posting, unlimited auto commenting, and unlimited titles and descriptions, unlimited thumbnails, literally everything unlimited from start to finish. You never have to worry about hitting a cap, which literally makes sure you have an unlimited viewer potential. So if you love that, let us know in the chat box. And the reason I'm asking for feedback so much is because you're the judge of this all. We can say, oh, this is awesome, this is great, but you are the one that will decide that. We know it's going to work. We've battle tested it. We know it works. We know it gets results. But it's on you to let us know if you actually love the blood, sweat, and tears that we've put in this to make it as perfect as possible. Your priority support from us, full encryption, so it's completely safe, and regular updates, right? We make sure it's always up to date. You always have the latest AI updates because the AI keeps learning. Maybe a new type of YouTube trend takes off, right? The AI needs to learn on that and understand what's working now. And you'll have that included as well. Enterprise value. And not only that, we're going to give you the enterprise level of an account. So let me have a look at the chat box to see if you're liking it so far. I see sign me up, looks good. Awesome. Do we pay for credits? No, no credits whatsoever. I can't be clear enough on that. No credits. Well, at least if you get it on the webinar, at least if you get it while we're live, that's the case, right? Awesome. So you're also going to get the Tube Engine AI Enterprise. Now this, I mean, let's face it, YouTube is the big daddy when it comes to video, right? We know that. That's just proven. That's not just us saying it. If you look at the numbers, YouTube gets the most video views. But we can't ignore Facebook is a great platform for those of you that like it. Instagram has traffic. TikTok has traffic. They are platforms that contain traffic. Might not be as much as YouTube, but they have traffic on there. So with the enterprise level, you'll be able to go outside of YouTube and dominate these other social media platforms as well. You also get the additional product demo and explainer video. If you like today's demo and how the demo was shown to you in a very easy to understand way, you'll be able to do that exact same thing with the product demo and explainer video. You get the business and corporate promo videos. This is great, especially if you have a different service that you're offering and you need really good content for that. This will crush it. The e-commerce ads and showcase for videos, educational training videos, local business ads. So these are all additional AI trained data points that you will get in your account. Multi-language global content. And one of my personal favorite, these do really well on YouTube. Usually the #1 place people go to get an opinion on a video or a product is YouTube. So if you create affiliate or review videos, you're going to make a lot of affiliate sales. You boost clicks and commissions because it is trained on a 6-figure affiliate data on the best performing affiliate review videos. You add stunning video avatars, remove any background. You have the option to add background that fits your background. So you can even change to professional studios or anything that fits your branding and make it pop once again with interactive element. You have drop-in text and messaging, which is really cool because that makes it even more interactive, creates the retention for the video. And the AI will take care of all of this, by the way. Animate your videos even more, enhance with music and audio. So if you want to add very specific soundtracks, you can, or if you want the AI to choose, or you have a royalty-free audio library, you can tap into that and have those as well. Maybe you have a motivational video and you need that, cinematic background sound. Upload your own logos, clips, and product shots into the videos. Use our done-for-you templates to speed things up. And again, these are battle tested already, proven to make sure they attract the right views. And you can edit everything inside a smart and easy to use timeline without having to be some Hollywood professional level editor. Not only that, different dimensions, since you're dealing with different platforms now, and you can export them, even put them on your PC or laptop in full HD with no watermarks. Long story short, the enterprise level will give you all these additional features. Now, one of my favorites as well. I mean, everything is almost my favorite here, but this is in particular useful because, like I said in the beginning, at the end of the day, guys, time is your most expensive currency, right? It's great if you can make a lot of money with this. It's great if you get a lot of views on this, but you don't want golden handcuffs like Elvis. You want to make sure something grows without you, passively, preferably, or as passively as possible. And that's where the Tube Engine AI automation steps in. This allows you to run your entire YouTube business unlimitedly on autopilot. It ongoingly adapts. You have the AI SEO optimizer, 24/7 auto sales system. You have the AI growth automation, so it schedules out in the future. Unlimited channel scaling, so you can go a podcast channel, a trading channel, and it manages all of them automatically. You have a smart analytics dashboard, organic traffic booster, so you get a lot of organic views as well, which is from other platforms to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Instant monetization boost, viral video templates from us. Additionally, YouTube audio syncer, so you can connect subscribers with your email and CRM automatically. Tell them, hey, opt in below, or in the description, add yourself to our newsletter to get a heads up when the next video rolls out, or our next video is going to contain the 5 tips on XYZ. It's going to drive people to an email list, which is great. You can target niche traffic. You have a passive income mode, so it turns on, grows your channel while you sleep. It's kind of like you're investing in a stock or a coin of some sort, and it just grows gradually on. That's what this will do for you. You have done for you promo content. We have a viral traffic engine, which is trained on the most viral videos on YouTube right now. A social sharing engine, so you can share your videos with one click to even more platforms outside of the big 4, which is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. There's additional smaller platforms that people don't know that you can leverage or tap into. You have fully automated campaigns, 24/7 running automatically, and then the agency system where you can offer channel management services to clients, which is where you can make a lot of money because there are tons of people that need help with YouTube. And I'll show you more about that in a second as well. You have smart engagement bots, quick AI setup. I mean, you have everything you need to absolutely crush it. Now, last but not least, the done for you. And this is something we can only do on this webinar. I have to mention that because you might think, oh, I didn't see it outside of this webinar. It's because we're going to do things for you that we can't do for everyone else all the time. This means you're going to get a setup of your account. We're going to make things light and easy for you. I mean, you are our prime users, you are going to be our biggest case studies, our biggest success stories. You're going to be our, quite frankly, marketing engines. Because of your success, this will blow up. So we know we need to go the extra mile by actually helping you set up your entire account. Our experts will handle everything. We set up your account, we set up the video automation so you can save all that time. You know how sometimes you get something new and you're like, all right, where do I start to get this up and running? We skip that work. We connect it to your YouTube channel if you have one already. If not, we walk you through how to do that. You're completely taken care of, hands-free setup. We set up custom AI video engines, so we create fully personalized Tube engine setup. So if you tell us, hey, I want to crush it in this niche, I want to create videos on online business, I want to create videos on weight loss, I want to create videos, or you might not know, you say, hey, I'm just looking for the best videos in any given niche. We set up the Tube engine to start it putting those video out on your channel. So you walk into something that is already working for you. These are trained with your niche tone and branding to produce viral videos that feel 100%. This is a massive shortcut, but actually requires manpower. Hence, we can't do this for everyone outside of this webinar. Now, brand voice and personality integration, we set that up. So if you're coming from an existing business and it needs to maintain a specific branding, a specific tone of voice for your business, we translate that into your Tube engine. We train it on your particular brand content. If you already have a YouTube channel and you already have a type of branding once again out there, we don't want you to figure out how to transfer now over to Tube engine. We make it seamless, look at it, and already train your Tube engine with that data. So seamless deployment and basically ready to profit automation. In any case, you have one-on-one expert setup with us, with the entire team here, and that is only because you were smart enough to grab this on the webinar. That shows that you're invested, that you want this to work, and that means we need to make sure it works, as we know for a fact it will. And obviously, with everything, you have a commercial license included. Now, speaking of a commercial license, that's where the AI agency accounts will shine. For those of you that say, hey, that's great, I want to shine on YouTube, sell my own products, and get paid for my views, but I'd love to offer this as a service. We're going to make sure you're completely set in that regard, as you'll have access to full white label services. You can add people to your account. So you can literally say, hey, I see you're trying to, crush it on YouTube. I have something that works really great. Give me your email. I'll create you a trial account. You can use it for 3 days, no questions asked. You don't need to put your credit card. Use it for 3 days and then come back, tell me if you like it, and then from there you can charge them on a recurring basis. So you can literally sell this under your own name. You can add unlimited team members, customize your business management. You get all these benefits again for a one-time price. Outside of this webinar, doing a one-time is unheard of. That's only on this webinar. And because you're on this webinar, mind you, you have fast action bonuses. The people that grab this the first, you're going to get a live training where I'm going to show you live how to go from a brand new 0 account to having a profitable channel up and running in record time. We're going to show you step by step how to launch your YouTube automation agency. I'm going to show you where to find the clients, what to say to them, what to charge them. I'm going to show you over the shoulder, mouse click by mouse click, so you can duplicate it and you get the recording so you can always watch it back, how to land the client in record time. I'm going to show you how to build a 6-figure white label YouTube agency. I'm going to show you how to sell even more on retainer. So you again have more of a passive income where people ongoingly pay you every single month for Tube Engine AI. So if you're loving everything you're getting, I have one question to ask, and just let me know if you do. You've put a lot of thought into this. We have made sure there's no stone left unturned because we need to guarantee your success. And to top it all off, we're giving you a 30-day money-back guarantee to make sure you have that buffer and time to actually become successful. So to summarize it all, in case you forgot, you're going to get the Tube Engine AI special access about at $4,997, the Tube Engine AI Unlimited. You get the enterprise level, the AI automation, the AI done for you, only on this webinar, the instant agency setup, and the webinar bonuses. Let me know in the chat box if you like this. Awesome, William. I see Wendy. I see Skip, Martin Skip, Yusuf, Jim, Haman, Douglas, Caitlin, Donald, Mike, Steve. I love it. You guys are phenomenal. I love the white label. Yes, love it. Gary's amazing. That's good to hear, Gary. That's a great compliment. I mean, again, we've put a lot of time and effort into this. We don't just want to put a tool out there and then, you know how it goes. I don't have to explain you. There are many tools out there where you get them and it's just like, how do I even make money with this? We want to make sure you have a vehicle that you can rely on that gives you traffic, whether you want to sell your own products, you want to sell other people's products, you want to sell a service, or heck, maybe you don't want to sell anything. You're sick and tired of selling. You just want to be creative and just create and let the AI create and get paid by YouTube for creating. And that's fine too. One way or another, you make money with Tube Engine AI as it's designed to monetize you whether you like it or not. And that's the beauty of this right here. And that's why it's so smart that you showed up live. Now, this leaves the million-dollar question, and that's how much, right? Now, we're not going to beat around the bush. I think everyone that gets this and understands this and sees the potential of this know that this requires a proper investment, because grabbing this here today will, whatever problem or bottleneck you're facing online right now, it will solve that 100%. Plus, you have a money-back guarantee to just try it out. So you shouldn't be surprised if after this webinar, you see Tube Engine for $997 yearly. which is a very fair price. Now, you already know you won't have to pay anywhere near that, but this is the equivalent what you're getting here today. $997 yearly. I'm not even speaking about the monthly costs and the top-up credits that come with it. This is outside of this webinar, not for you, but outside of this webinar, what it will take. Now, we're not going to spend too much time on that because, as you know, that doesn't count for you. On the webinar, we decided to drop it down to a $497 one time without needing to top up, without yearly cost or whatsoever. Now, I just want to ask one question, and that is, who here thinks that is an amazing discount for a tool that is guaranteed to get you results? I've seen people sell courses at thousands of dollars where you have no guarantee. You just have to figure things out and watch videos and go through worksheets and hope you manage to understand it. Instead of having a tool that you invest in once and it builds unlimited channels for you that will pay you out over and over again. Who here thinks that's a fair and amazing price? I see worth every penny, amazing discount, fair price, great price. Now, let me tell you this. It is a great price, but because you showed up live, we're going to make it better. When I said we appreciate the people that are here live, I meant it. Because mind you, there's something in it for us, right? I mean, this is not a completely selfless act, although I do believe in selflessness and, helping people where you can. In order to make this work, there's also needs to be something in it for us, and that's your case studies, your success stories is what's going to pay us on the long term. So if you comment live discount, we're going to make it even more affordable for you to get started. Because we know if we meet you halfway, you'll give us the best case studies in return. Comment live discount, and we're going to scratch the $497 price, scratch the recurring, no annual cost, no monthly cost, and bring it down all the way to just $367 once. And you can have a complete done for you Troop Engine AI, where our team even comes in and sets up your channels for you initially, make sure your account's set up. Remember, you get the AI done for you right here, only for the people on the webinar. Make sure you comment live discount. Trust me, you want the comment live discount, because if you haven't done so, and I see a lot of people do, Katie says this is a steal. I can't even believe what I'm about to show you next. And I got good news and bad news. The good news is, yes, you're going to get an amazing discount. The bad news is not everybody will get this amazing discount, because here's what's going to happen. To make it the ultimate deal, the next 50 people, first come, first served. Let's see who's a real action taker. Won't even have to pay $367. We're going to drop it down to $267. Comment live discount right now, and the team will drop the link, and it's going down to $267 for you to get started. Try this out. Turn on the Troop Engine AI. Let our team hop into your account and get you started. Watch your accounts flourish, and with views every single day, be the proud owner of multiple YouTube channels. Get paid. And all it took was just $267, because you were smart enough to show up when others didn't. You said, I'm going to spend today to go to a training webinar to see if it can help me, to see if it's worth my time, to see if it can educate me. And I hope in return, we have done that and have been able to make it as affordable as it could be. Meaning, if it's on us, we even did it free, but obviously that's not sustainable. We run a business to a degree here as well. So this is the lowest of low it will ever be. And we're kind of writing history here, because it will never be as low as again. This is the only time and moment you'll see it at this price. So you're part of history right now in the making if you comment live discount. So team, I want you to do me a favor. Give everybody that comments live discount, give them the link and give them the coupon that we've put together for the first 50 people only. Now, when I say for the first 50, we are not kidding around. There is a cap on this. We've done the economics. We've seen that more than 50 people, it's not sustainable. right? This is a sophisticated software that has a lot of costs involved with it on our end to make sure it runs, to make sure it works. So we can't keep handing out discounts left, right, and center. Although we've seen we can do it for 50 people up most. It was actually 49, but then we put a little bit out of our own pocket in and we rounded it up to a nice round number, which is 50. Now it's first come, first served, and if these coupons are gone, they're gone. I don't know what to tell you. I don't want to sit here and hard sell you and persuade you and use some level of marketing to push you to buy. I want you on your own regard to decide that, hey, you know what? There's a lot of potential on YouTube. And it doesn't hurt for me to tap into that potential, or at least see it with my own eyes. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can try it out for 30 days risk-free, see if you like it, open multiple channels, see how it goes, and then decide if you want to keep it. But there's one thing I will tell you, don't be surprised when you see such great results that you will be absolutely certain you want Tube Engine AI. And also don't be surprised that if you don't grab this today, you'll see it at $997 annual next. So the choice is yours. Like I said, I'm not the one to push and pull and do all of that fancy stuff. You either get it or you don't. And that's why I spend extensive time on making you explain why this works. I'm giving you not the racks the riches fluff story, but the actual inter-economics of here's why you make money on YouTube. Here's how the tool adapts. Here's why the tool works. And here's how it works for you. And I hope you appreciate that type of webinar. And if you do, I hope you also love the amazing discount we've put together, and we couldn't have done this on our own. All the developers, huge shout out to them. Obviously, Dr. Amit himself. It requires a whole team, but we've put together something beautiful that a lot of people haven't done with AI. I see lots of great AI tools every day, but I mean, YouTube with AI together, that's a beast that is untapped right now, and you can take advantage of it. If you take action, it will only be 267. Now, do me a favor, as soon as you're in, let me know in the chat box so I can welcome you, congratulate you. In case you haven't gone to the link yet or seen the link, make sure you comment live discount so the team will keep dropping it in the chat. I'll let them know. Keep dropping it in the chat. I'll actually visit the page myself and show you how to check out in case you didn't know. You can see right here, you can click on grab it now or click on get started, whichever suits you. I'll click on the big shiny grab it now. It will take you all the way down. You can see everything you're getting, the commercial, the unlimited, the enterprise, the automation, the done for you, the agency, the fast action bonuses. You would have to pay over $1,200. Now, no recurring, no monthly, no yearly. It's a one-time. Now, it says 367, which honestly is already a great deal. I'm not going to lie. But because you're on this webinar, and if you're the first 50, you're going to be able to leverage a coupon code that brings it down by $100. Stick that $100 in your pocket. Take yourself out for dinner today because you've made an amazing investment that you could have only done by attending this live webinar. So all you have to do is click your email. Then you see the coupon code is already applied here, save 100. It drops down to 267 to verify. You see single payment, not yearly, not annual, not monthly, single payment. And then you can check out with credit card. If you tap that button, it will open up the form. Or if you want to use PayPal, you click on PayPal, it opens up PayPal, whichever works for you. But time is of the essence. I'm not just saying that. It's because we only have 50 coupons. I truly love for everyone, because we're way more than 50 here, for everyone to be able to leverage one, but it's impossible. That will be in a perfect world. But I hope for you, you're fast enough. I hope for you, you understand it, and you're daring and willing to take a leap of faith to at least try it out. And heck, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can see it right here, 30-day return policy. You got nothing to lose. And it's only just over $200. Park it for 30 days. The worst case scenario, you get it back. And best case, you have multiple profitable YouTube channels paying you more than 267 over and over and over again. Don't miss out. I can't wait for you to see this firsthand. I'm gonna go ahead and congratulate people that are in. I see John saying, brilliant presentation. Appreciate you, John. Means so much to us. And like I said, I know most webinars are the racks, the riches, and this is who I was, this is where I was born, and I intentionally skipped all of that. I don't think you want to know more about that. You want to know, how is this tool going to work for you? Why does it work? How is it built? And I hope I was able to do just that. And obviously, if you want to know more on the inside, we'll do more live sessions. Everybody that gets this will get access to the Zero to Profitable Channel live training, where we're going to have an amazing chat. We're going to show you everything over the shoulder. We're going to show you how to run a proper business. We're going to show you how we run our inside operations. We'll have Dr. Mead in there as well, live. It's going to be fun. But today here, we just made sure we show you, here's what is right now working with AI and YouTube. It is a loophole that not enough people are figuring out. People are using AI for ChatGPT and, to come up with a little script here and there. But nobody has ever said, you know what? I'm going to take AI and feed it for months straight the best videos on YouTube and ask it, why does this video so well? Why does it rank? Why does this video not perform? Right? We take horrible videos, ask the AI, why does this video not perform? Explain this to us. What is it missing? All right, cross-references with this niche, cross-references with this niche. After months of compiled data, putting it to the test, saying, all right, I'm going to open up a brand new YouTube channel. Take all the learnings from all these months that you now have stored and tell me what video to create the video for me, do the voiceovers, the everything, and make sure you rank it for me with SEO. There's no AI out there that has checked all the top and most profitable YouTube channels in 2024 and 2025 to date, has checked the best performing YouTube channels right now as we speak, the biggest trends as we speak. Mr. Beat does 2 billion monthly views. He's doing something right for sure. But who takes the time to dissect what he's doing right? What are your thumbnails like? Why does this thumbnail get a lot of clicks? Why does this thumbnail not get a lot of clicks? All of that power will be inside your Tube Engine AI. You don't have to figure that out anymore. You don't have to spend months and months of collecting data and figuring out what data is useful, what data is not useful. We've put serious R&D teams together to create what is now the fastest, profitable, and successful YouTube channel creator. So if you ever wanted to give it a crack at YouTube, or at least try it out, you're 267, which is a massive discount, 267 away from having multiple successful YouTube channels. Now, in case you didn't know, there are right now kids on YouTube. I'm talking 15-year-olds, 16-year-olds, making thousands of dollars with little AI videos on YouTube. Money is up for grabs. I mean, it's insane the world we live in, but it is true. You can make thousands of dollars from little AI videos on YouTube. It's insane. But it'd be foolish not to leverage it while it is possible. So please, for your own sake, not even for us, but for your own sake, try it out. So I'm going to congratulate more people. See, Donald is in, congratulations. Katie's in, congratulations. Cora's in, congratulations. Caitlin is in, Gary is in, Carl is in, John, congratulations. Eddie, amazing, Eddie, appreciate you. John is in. Is the white label included, is Anthony's asking, and the answer is yes, you get the white label included. And I'm going to show you how to sell the heck out of the white label. Again, I'll spill the beans a little bit. You literally go to any YouTube creator and tell them, hey, I notice you're trying to crush it on YouTube. I want to give you a tool. I'll create you an account. Just give me your email. I'm looking to collect feedback. That is your foot in the door. I'm collecting feedback for a YouTube tool that helps creators rank easier and faster. I'd love to create you an account for free in exchange for your feedback. Now, guess what? They're going to use the tool, fall in love with it. And the first question they'll ask back is, I've used it for 3 days now. I love it. How much would you charge me to keep it? Because once you're in a Ferrari like that, you don't want to get out. And you're like, hey, thank you for the usage. Your feedback was very important to us. Thank you so much. I'm going to exterminate your account again. And like, oh, wait a minute. How can I keep this? How much? Where can I buy this? And you make a good deal. 50 a month, 100 a month, then it's just a matter of pricing. And we'll explain all of that and show you how to position it in the best way possible, where to find the people, give you the scripts on the inside. What matters now is at least having access to Tube Engine AI and having a full 30 days to use and test this risk-free to your own regard. So go ahead and grab it while we're still live, because we literally only have 12 coupons left. 11 actually, one just went right there. 11 coupons left as we speak, and you do not want to miss out. I mean, YouTube is a beast of a platform, and the people that are on there, the riches they're seeing is remarkable, right? There are even entire documentaries. I think one recently came on Netflix, but it was more related to kids. Their families are making tens of thousands of dollars a month from YouTube, from Facebook, from TikTok, from Instagram, with just videos. They're not even selling anything. They're just uploading videos all the time. Now, luckily for you, you don't have to go and show your face and record and go outside and do all of these things. You can just create really good AI videos, whether it's informative on an interesting topic. There's one particular channel I like. It's a little bit of a history channel. I can see it's fully AI generated, but I just love it. The factual stories they're telling just keeps me hooked. The visuals that go along with it. I always watch an episode or two, and I'm a subscriber. And it's an AI channel, and I'm a fan. And just like that, there are many more people like me in a variety of niches, where the whole channel is just AI generated content, but it's on a topic I like. It's information I like to hear. It's content I'm interested in. You can have channels like that, a news channel, a fun facts channel, trivia channel, travel channel. Let AI make sure it knows what the viewers need to hear and see in order for your videos to get the consistent views. Now, Tube Engine AI is trained on doing exactly that. So that being said, I see we're already down to 7 coupons, so I'm sure it won't take any longer now. If you're in, I want to once again congratulate you, and honestly just tell you you're so smart for taking action on this. I 100% believe if you stop everything you're doing, and obviously you don't have to, you can do everything as you love just fine, but if you were to stop everything you're doing and all you do from today on forward is upload videos to YouTube, which Tube Engine AI will literally do for you hands-free. If all you do is upload videos to YouTube, you'll see so much more traffic, views, subscribers, fans than you've had your entire year trying to get people to notice your products or services. Guaranteed. Outside of this webinar, like I said, Tube Engine AI will go to $997 yearly, and that's just the starter package. There will be a $2,997 package. There will be a $4,997 enterprise package. But guess what? Since you're taking action today, this enterprise package, I'll scroll down a lot. Let's go here. You probably already have seen this. The enterprise package, look at all the value you're getting here, is already included in your account. There will be people paying over $2,997 annually to have the enterprise. You have everything at just $267. So please don't let $267 hold you back from at least trying this out. You will not regret it. You get nothing to lose and everything to gain. So I see we're down to the last 3 coupons. And I will once again want to congratulate every single person that was smart enough to take action on this. You are going to crush it, whether you like it or not. Even if you half-ass this with minimum effort, I know you are going to see such great results. Why? Because this isn't dependent on you. It's the AI that will do brilliant work. It's the great equalizer. because now it's not based on your skill set or how techy you are or how famous you are or how much experience you have or how much leads or following you already have. That doesn't care anymore. The AI will work from the ground up and make sure you see the results you're looking for, which is a great channel that is profitable, but only if you grab this right now. I see the last 2 coupons. Man, I don't want to give you the feeling that I'm overselling it, because if I'm doing that, please excuse me. But I'm just so excited for you. I'm so happy for the people that grab this. And in any chance, if you're still on the fence, please don't be. Take an example too. Let me name some name here. To Bryce, to Ann, to Dave, to Martin, to Rodney, to Caitlin, to Stacy, to John, to Will, all the beautiful people here. They know for a fact that they see something that has great potential, that has a minimum manual effort, and that is tapping into something that you might not have tried before. Because there's so many things out there that people already trying, and it's not panning out for them. And we can go into all the technicals on why that is not the case. But what I will tell you is that with Tube Engine, nobody out there is doubling down on AI with YouTube, not just from a creative perspective, but from a ranking perspective, making sure the videos get seen, making sure it gets you the traffic you're looking for. So if traffic has been a problem and you're trying to get more people to see your offer, see your services, know that YouTube has 90 billion daily views. Let me show you something, right? And this is for the people that are on the fence. If you're already in, you get this, you understand this, and you're going to crush it 100%. If you're still on the fence, I'm just going to show you something, and you tell me, right? I'm going to open up YouTube right here, right? It's YouTube. I'm just going to type in the word space, just space, random keyword. Now, I'm going to click on shorts here. Can anyone tell me, right, how many views? Let me actually go to just all here so you can see it better, a little bit more full screen. Can anyone tell me from these little videos? These are very easy to create, right? Clearly AI generated. You can create these a million times better. How many views do these videos get? Look at this. 16 million. Okay, so this space, 16 million views, mind you. This one, over 500,000. You can, if you're interested in this topic, open your own channel on space. And it's going to get all the proven ranking SEO to get it in front of those exact people. Because that's another thing, YouTube needs more videos. It can't keep showing the same videos to the same people all day long. YouTube is actively pushing creators and saying, hey, come and create more videos for us because we have billions of people daily. We can't keep, they're running out of content because the consumption is so incredibly high, because one person doesn't just watch one video, they watch a ton of videos. And they every few minutes, they need to show them a new one. Have you seen this one? Well, how about this one? Have you seen this one? Well, how have you seen this one? So they need content, which means they need you. So if you create a space video, you're just going to take that and throw it in front of these people as well. And then if you have an offer to go with that, or heck, you just want to get paid for the amount of views, that's what happens right after. So you have millions of views. Look at this. Never go to space alone. This is less than a minute of a video. 1 minute video, 1.3 million views. This is an AI. This is not just some celebrity talking or a famous person everybody knows. This is just a random little AI video, faceless clearly. It's doing 1.3 million. Imagine 1.3 million people watching a video in your living room. I don't know if you live in a villa or a mansion, but that's a lot of people. It probably won't fit. So I hope you see the potential you're leaving on the table If one little silly AI video can get millions of views just about a random topic like space, imagine what the videos can do that you'll be able to create. I'll leave the answer to you. Link is in the chat box. Team, can we drop the link one last time? And then we're going to close it with there. I want to appreciate you from not just me, but the entire team, Dr. and me, the developers. Everybody's put time, effort, and energy into making this possible for you. And it's going to continue to do that to make sure you're going to be the success story that allows us to take this to a whole new level and impact the industry of YouTube in a way nobody else has done with AI thus far. We want to thank you in advance for becoming our greatest success stories, and we know you're going to crush it. The link is in the chat box. This is truly your last chance, guys. Don't try us. No, don't think, oh, I'm just gonna get it. No, it is now or never. If you don't want to pay yearly, if you don't want to pay thousands more, if you don't want to pay monthly or top up credits and do all that jazz, if you just want to have everything in one go for as little as $267, go to the link right now, lock it in, and watch YouTube work for you. If you enjoyed today's webinar, let us know in the chat box. As I mentioned many times as well, your feedback means everything to us. I mean, our entire business is dependent on you. You have far more power and control than you think. Right? You are the judge of everything, right? And I recommend you to treat your customers, your clients, your audience the same way. Listen to what they say, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So if you have anything to say before we close out the webinar, whether it's good, whether it's constructive feedback, we are open to listen and make things even better moving forward. We appreciate you. We love you. And remember, there are 3 ways to generate video income. The moment you get this, because I can imagine you're like, well, 267 is a great discount, but it's still money. And you're wondering, how can I get that back as soon as possible? When you have this, you can get paid for your products and services from the traffic. You just saw a little 1-minute video do 1.3 million views, a little 1-minute AI video from a random account. Imagine what you'll be able to do with multiple videos, multiple accounts. Heck, even if every video just gets a couple hundred views combined, that's well over 10, 20, 30,000 views together, because those are real eyeballs seeing the video. You can get paid by social media for the views, and you get paid for doing this for other people. Remember, even if you post 5 videos a day, that's 150 a month, that's 300 in 2 months. That's even if they get 100 views only, which is the absolute bare minimum, that's 30,000 views combined. So if you look at it logically, there's no way for you to fail. And I hope you realize that. And people that grab this, they do. Please don't miss the boat while it's still here. I want to thank you once again. I see great webinar, lots of values as well. Your feedback is so welcome. I'm going to read a few of them here. Lots of value and path to success to help people and be well compensated in the process. Thank you and God bless. Appreciate you, Will. And I can't wait to see you on the inside. Remember, all of you that grab this, we're going to do a bonus training on the inside to help you even more. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Greg says it was great and thank you. I'm in. Greg, appreciate you. Appreciate you big time and congratulations. Very informative, and I think this will finally help me get monetized on YouTube. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, and thank you, Katie, likewise, for taking action on this. I can't wait to see your case study, your results, your testimonials. It's gonna be lovely. Ronald says, awesome success. I enjoyed it, says Douglas. Stacy is trying to pay and is not getting through. Now, it can be because, you know, spots are filled, but can the team double check, please? That's Stacy E. Last name starts with an E. I won't mention the whole name live, but Stacy E. I would hate for her to miss out because there was an issue with payment. So please check, team, if there's something that can be done to still make sure the person can get access. But understand if a cap is hit, the cap is hit, and then nothing we can do about that. I see William. Awesome, awesome. I see you. Amazing. Dave is in. Anne is in. John is in. Gary's in. You guys are amazing. Eddie, I love it. I love it. Carl as well, Caitlin, you guys are phenomenal. So with that being said, what I'm gonna do, I see a few people that are having some problems at checkout. So I'm going to leave the webinar on to have the chat team kind of guide them through that process. For those of you that are already in, you can leave the webinar. You're gonna get an email. You're gonna get all the bonuses. We have some unannounced bonuses that will hit your email as well as promised. Plus, you have when you log into the app, you will immediately see the link to register for the Inside Live training, which you obviously get access to as a bonus as well. So you're set. You got everything. If you're in, you can leave the webinar. I love you. I appreciate you, and I can't wait to speak to you again on the next live training we're going to do for Tube Engine AI specifically, where we're now going to go inside the app, do a live demo, live walkthrough. And with that being said, there's already a lot of tutorials on the inside. I mean, AI does most of the work for you anyway, so there's not much you need to know, but there is, you know, proper step-by-step, baby step explanation if you need to on the inside. So go and have fun with it, or, you know, take a break first. We've been on here for almost 2 hours, so I imagine, you know, you need some off-screen time. Go take a walk or have a nice drink or whatsoever. I mean, either way, be proud of yourself for making this investment here today, because there's a lot of people that haven't done that. The very fact that you're here tells me that you're a person that is literally going to make sure what it takes to succeed. And with Tube Engine AI, that's exactly what's going to happen. So amazing. I'll see you on the inside. I'll go ahead and go and get a glass of water myself. So I'll be leaving the webinar as well, and then I'll see you on the live training that will hold on the inside. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat, because the team will still be chatting until all questions are answered. A team, also do me a favor and drop the link one last time for the people that haven't seen it, or, you know, yeah, for any reason, just drop the link one last time so everybody has one last fair chance to grab it. But other than that, I want to congratulate the people that are already in. See you on the inside. Bye-bye.